I want to show you this, guys. My swim set for today. I really love it, guys. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan, I only buy this for 350 pesos. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. I really love it. Ayan. Ayan, so I'm ready na for vacation, guys. I'm ready na sa aming pagbi-beach. Ayan, ang ganda niya. So, ayan, guys. Ayan. Dahil dyan, ayan, maglo-lotion muna ako, guys. Ayan, kasi dadaanan ako dito ng aking friend. Dadaanan ako dito ng aking friend, guys. Kami po ay mag-swimming. Magbi-beach kami, guys. Ayan, dahil it's weekend. And, ayan, it's day off time. So, mag-day off tayo, guys. Ayan, let's enjoy! Let's enjoy our weekend. So, ayan, minsan na ako makapag-swimming, guys. Kaya, makapag-beach. Kaya, ayan, now, ito na yung time, guys, na makapag-swimming tayo. Ayan. At, ayan, guys, in-order ko nga po ito, guys, for only 350 pesos. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys, oh. Ang ganda niya. I really love it. At siya, high waist siya, guys. High waist, yung kanyang, ayan, oh. Very affordable for only 350 pesos. I really love it. Ayan, because, ayan, I love fashion, guys. I really love fashion. Ayan, pack. Ayan, guys. O, diba? I really love it. Ayan, guys. Nag-shape na nga po yung aking likuran, guys. Ayan. And then, ayan, guys, yung aking tummy. Ayan, konting exercise na lang. At ma-perfect na yung aking, guys, yung aking body, yung aking fitness, guys. Ayan, body fitness. So, ayan. Wearing my favorite color of swimsuits. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan. Feeling model na naman ako, guys. Ayan. Feeling maganda na naman ako. Ayan. Dahil, ayan, ang ganda ng aking beach outfit. So, I'm so happy of this. I'm happy, guys. Ayan yung ating likuran. Ayan, nag-shape na nga po yung aking likuran, guys. Ayan. Pack na pack yan. I really love it. Ayan, so, ayan. Pack na pack. Ayan, guys. So, ayan po. So, I'm so happy of my, guys, of my beach outfit. Ayan, so, ayan, guys. Mag-take a picture muna tayo. Take a picture. Because I really love, guys, I really love picture. Ayan. Ayan, so I'm so happy. I'm so happy with my order, guys. I really love it. I really love the color, guys, and the style. Ayan. So that's it for today. Bye.